Good afternoon. So we have seen creating git add, git commit, how to create a local push into the repository, how to create or initialize a local folder into a git repository, how to create a branch. So we also created a branch and feature one. Now in this feature one, now from one, how many branches are there in my repository? Git branch, there is two, git feature one and main. You want to switch from one branch to one branch, git checkout main. So I am now git branch. I am now in main. So I am going to git checkout feature one clear. Now I am adding one. This is my feature. This is my feature one branch. Control S, saving, modified, git add dot git commit -m, adding local changes into branch. Now this is I commit, and then git push origin feature one. So I have made some changes. So you can see readme file has these two lines, but in git checkout main it is only one line. Clear. So this is feature one git. Now my feature one branch has two lines, but in main branch has one line. So if I go, and then you can see compare and pull request. So this tab will come if there are changes in two copies of my repository. One copy is main, another copy is feature one. So feature one has readme file which is two lines. Feature one has readme which is two lines, and main has readme file which is one line. So what I will do, I will compare and pull request. Pull request means I have updated my file, and I want to, I have updated my copy of a branch, and then I want to merge my one copy with the main repo, main copy. That means I want to merge my feature one with my main. So I click compare and pull request. So pull request, So GitHub is checking if there is any conflict. That means in same line I have made changes, there are same line, different line. So you can automatic merge pull request. You can make some comments. The reviewer who actually reviewer, this merging is up to the senior developer. Only the junior developers or some people who are not at the top post of your top post of a company, they can only make changes and create pull request. The merging is totally up to the senior developers. We will confirm merge and then it is done. So I go to the code. In main I have same file. In feature 1 I have same file, but in my main git checkout main, sorry, spelling mistake. It is only one file. I have not the updated or latest copy of my remote repository. So what I will do, git pull origin main. So it will fetch all the changes from remote repository and put into my local repository. So you can see in my main branch it is the main changes are there. So this is one kind of resolving conflict. This is known as conflict because two copies are not in the same. Now I am making one more changes. This is main. I am in main, but I have written main, so I am making it main branch. And then git add dot git commit -n replicating merge conflict git push origin main. Okay, so now I go to my git checkout feature 1 I made this change from 1 to feature 1. Control S, git, Control S, git add git commit -n feature 1 okay, git push origin feature 1. Now if I try to, so this is there is a conflict, like if I try to merge, like there will be, if I see the feature 1 branch in main, as there is main branch. So if I create a pull request, new pull request, I can create a pull request and automatically merge. So what I will do, I will do git, I will go to the main branch, git checkout main, clear, git merge feature 1. So what git will do, it will merge, see this changes is for main and the same line has been changes for feature branch. So git has merged these two lines into a single file. So it's up to us, we can accept the current change, that means this incoming change, that means this, both changes means this will be merged, compare changes. So what I'm doing, I'm deleting this and then control S git add dot git checkout minus m resolving merge conflict git checkout, sorry, git commit and then git push origin main. Now go to git checkout feature 1 git merge main git merge main. So it has automatically merged two lines. So now the feature 1 has the same changes on the main merge, so I can simply delete the feature 1. Git, okay, I check git add dot git commit minus m resolve, nothing to commit, git push origin feature. These are not necessary, but just to make changes that there is nothing to be merged. So it is everything is done. So what I will delete git checkout minus d feature 1. So it is saying I have deleted this. So git branch that is this step. Git checkout feature 1 so git push origin minus delete feature 1. So git branch so remote repository I have already deleted. If I go to yes, there is a no feature branch. So git checkout none. So this is how we can do.